That woman behind me, she just asked if I was born in Brazil. I guess I look Brazilian. Cha-cha-cha. I know I said we're ending this, but I mean I had to do it. I had to make another quick video because that was crazy. Woo! I'm tired as hell. Look at this neighborhood though. Look at this. I mean, pure beauty, right? I actually never been up this way. That's crazy. Look at this little guy. See him? See him? Let's see where he is. There he is. Oh yeah, I've been up this way. Whew. Jeez. Yeah, this is Bunjo. Thanks for watching. I hope I motivated some of y'all. And every view counts. Thanks. This is the Bunjo show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for ciovo. This is Bunjo show. Wow. Look at that. That's 2 feet by 4 feet, maybe 5 feet. Crazy. You couldn't even land it. Yeah, this is just the back streets of my neighborhood on Ciovo Island. Look how nice it is, huh? And you can go up there. Not much to do up there. We'll go check out some other neighborhoods and keep walking. And yeah, I'm not doing much, so I decided to give you guys a tour around like what we call okrug gornji. It's a Mavakchice. It's a beautiful little neighborhood. Always construction going on because everybody's always renovating and updating, trying to get that tourist buck. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, man? I'm just bored. I got nothing to do. I'm by myself again. You know how it is. And look at the views from up here, huh? There's a couple cats. Look at this little guy. See him? Don't be scared. It's just me, the pussycat man. It's beautiful, huh? How do you guys like all this? Woo! Me likey. Mikey likes it. There's some nice man trucks. That's built for men. That's a real man truck. Yeah, it's my favorite truck because it says man. It's built for man, strong. Hey, bud. Hey, little buddy. Look at this little cute cat, huh? Just enjoying nice winter days out here. Yeah, that cat is just enjoying, you know. Look at this. Here, I'll bring you through here. Here, I'll bring you through here. Yes. Look at him. Come here. Here, let's see. Come here. Little curious fella. Little caterpillar's going to catch some waves, you know what I mean? Guy's a drifter straight up. Woo, baby. Yeah, Ciovo, it's so dead here in the winter because basically it's just a vacation island. It's like going up north to the cottage. So a lot of people just come here in the summer. But I mean, it's still nice weather here. It's just nothing to do except for the beach, man, if you like the beach. But the beach on a mild day isn't that good, I guess. That's good. Oh, see, look at. See, look at it down here. It's nice, huh? some lemon trees, some fig trees, some palm trees. It's a beautiful place here. I love it here. It's a perfect place for me to raise my kid that I'm gonna have. So I mean, that's gonna be great, man. Because there's really no crime, there's no drugs, there's no fear to let your kid to go out and have fun, have some innocent fun with his friends, play some football, like soccer we're talking about for you Americans. And yeah, basically it's amazing. Like if you go in Canada, you got to worry about all the unsafe activities, all the stranger danger, you know, the molesters, as we say, kidnappings. I'm sure that all in North America. Here you don't really have to worry about it. Kids walk to school on their own, you know. In Argentina it's not safe, so it's just like perfect. Those are like our only options: Argentina, Canada, and Croatia. But once we get our Croatian citizenship, we basically have all of Europe. But I mean, we're gonna stay in Croatia because it's perfect to raise your kid in, man. The culture, everything is so rich and beautiful, you know what I mean? It's a perfect place to grow up. I feel like these kids are lucky. Like their school is on top of a hill overlooking the Adriatic Sea, and the other school is on the boardwalk in Trogir. You know what I mean? In Trogir. So right on the Riva, they call it. It's the boardwalk, the main part, the beautiful part with all the palm trees and all the bars and all the restaurants. That's where they go to school, these kids. And they play out on the front, right in front of all the ships and the yachts. Like, man, damn. In our school, we had to worry about people overdosing on drugs, going through metal detectors, you know what I mean? And like here, they don't have any of that to worry about. I think it's brilliant. I love it. That's why it's perfect for a kid to grow up. And you have all these, and you can learn so much by just living off the land. Like there's so much harvesting. You can get truffles in the mountain, you can get any kind of fruit, really, citrus, you name it. You can go fishing, you can go hunting. Just 80 kilometers away on the other side of the mountains in Bosnia, you can go skiing in the snow. Even though it's hot here right now, they have snow over there 80 kilometers away. It's just crazy fun, man. It's so much diversity, and it's just amazing. I love it here. I'm thankful that I grew up in Canada, because it gave me the opportunity to come to Croatia. Because if I was born in Croatia, I wouldn't have that opportunity to go to Canada. I mean, I might have it. Who am I to say I wouldn't have it? You never know what I'd do. It's a dead end over there, damn it. I know, I already knew that too. I should have known that, but I was too busy talking to the camera. But yeah, if I was born in Croatia, I wouldn't have the opportunity to go to Canada. Actually, it's funny I say that, because my mom, when she was young, and my grandpa and that, they moved to they moved to Canada in like the 60s or 70s. So they clearly had the opportunity to, right? And now we're moving back, so it's kind of like a full circle of weirdness. But they lived in like Slavonski Brod, where it's like farmland and kind of poor. It's in poverty, a lot of it, right? So it's hard to get a good living. But I mean, you go down there and those people are super happy and they seem like they're doing well. I think it's just like a lot of the older people are poor here, because they got old, you know, and the war happened, and a lot of them got left alone, like orphans for old people, I guess. So it's pretty sad. I don't know. But here there's so much opportunity to make money and have a good business. That is beautiful living, man. You always have, the kids always have something to look forward to, you know. And look at this. Yeah, it's pure amazing. Look at that. Look at that. It's so amazing. Yeah, and as far as like everything else, like Europe's a little bit more expensive for North Americans, I guess. But at least you get the vacation here. You have good food. You can drink tap water. You don't have to worry about getting sick. That's you. Hold on, let me start over. You can drink tap water, so at least you don't have to worry about getting sick. You know what I mean? Because if you go to all the cheap countries, sure, yeah, you can spend pennies, or you can go to all-inclusive resorts and eat for free. But I mean, the food usually isn't that good, especially when it's buffet. You know, in my eyes. And here you can cook all healthy, like, and it's still pretty cheap for you Americans and Canadians. Like, you can get grass-fed meat, organic meat, organic fruit, and it's all way cheaper than you'd get it in Canada. Whew. But I mean, you can go to places like the Philippines or Thailand and get shit for $1 to eat. I mean, I wouldn't eat that street food. Not for me anyways. And you can't drink the tap water, I don't think, either. Unless you get some tetanus shots or something. Woo! And it's just natural beauty here. You know what I mean? You can do anything here. And that's why I love Croatia, basically. And there's lots of mountain biking, hiking, ATV, motocrossing. You can do almost everything here. It's a beautiful spot. And as far as being an expat, basically, if you come here and you want to live here, all you got to do is show that you got income and a place to stay, and basically you're accepted here for a temporary residence. It's that easy, my friends. And then after like 5 years of that, you can keep renewing it every year. But after 5 years of that, you can apply for your citizenship, and then you can stay here. And it's beautiful, especially if you work online from home. You can get a sweet ass apartment here for like 300 euros a month, or maybe 300 USD a month, 500 USD a month, and live life, man. Live life to the fullest. Live long, healthy lifestyle, man. It's beautiful here. And I mean, look at the neighborhoods I get to walk in. Look at this. See what I mean? Beautiful. And we're gonna go this way. Yeah, we'll try this way. Why not? Whew. Yeah, so I don't know. And all you guys should take time out of your life and treat yourself to a nice vacation here. You won't regret it. Unless you're a type of guy that complains about everything and wants it to be exactly like where you come from. Like if you're from America and you complain because it doesn't taste American, the food, or whatever. That's just stupid. Why you go on vacation if you want it to be American food? You know what I mean? I hate people like that. Or they don't want to try new things, or they're like, the beer doesn't taste like Budweiser. Of course it doesn't, dummy. You're not in America. It's not Budweiser. Duh. Duh, duh, duh. Oh, it pisses me off, some people, man. They just complain about everything. Because those are the privileged guys. I'm from America, and we are the best. We are so American. That's basically how it is, you know? It's crazy. I don't like that. Some guy in the van is watching me vlog saying that. And he's like, yeah, this guy's crazy talking to his camera. But I think he's just on lunch break because he's doing the construction to this house here. And he's just chilling in his van. And that's life. It's life in the Balkans, man. And there he is, he got out. Whew. Look at this, so you can grow old and just rock in the chair with you and your wife. See what I mean? Just nice place to grow old, man. That's all I'm saying. Retire. Even if, especially if you can work from home, like online. Damn, this is such a good place. Or if you're like in the Bitcoin like some people are, it's a nice place to retire. But woo. And there's my little why I love Croatia rant, I guess. And I'm going back down to the beach right now, and gonna go edit this, maybe send it out. I said a lot of nothing, maybe. I don't know if it's interesting or not. Like, it's hard for me to tell if it's interesting here when I'm talking to the camera, because some videos I think oh man, I just killed that video, I just did so good, it's so interesting, so funny, like it kills me, you know. And then it does like 10 views and I'm like, wait a minute, and I put out something that isn't that good and I get a couple hundred views. Like, I know what you guys are thinking, ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber that's trying, I'm putting it out there. And as for you guys to say like 10 views or 100 views is good for me, it is. I'm just starting. You think, like, I was watching this video by No Life Shack, and he's basically saying, like, he put out hundreds and hundreds of videos. He's the reaction guy that does Eminem reaction videos, and he has like his dream car, and now his dream car that he, like, his Corvette dream car is no longer his dream car. He moved on to a bigger dream car, you know. It just shows you, like, he's like, you never know when you're gonna hit, you never know when you're gonna get popular, because he had put out hundreds and hundreds of videos and he didn't get any views. He got like 60 views, 30 views, and that's what I'm going through right now. As long as you just believe in yourself, because when you're about to quit, that's when you're about to pop off, you know. You need to realize that, man. You gotta hit rock bottom to get back up, and right now I'm at rock bottom, kind of. Not rock bottom in my life, but rock bottom in the YouTube game. I'm at the bottom, so there's only one way to go from here. It's up. And it's like, I got almost 500 subscribers, and I'm telling you guys, it's just gonna keep going up. What, you think they're gonna unsubscribe? No, they're gonna keep subscribing. That's the way it works. The more content you put out, the more subscribers. And trust me, once I get popular, all my life stories and stuff, those are gold stories. It just, I haven't been discovered. And a lot of people only like people's videos because they're popular, and that's the truth. Like, people, like, you may be doing a better video than a lot of people, but they're not gonna like you because you don't have a name brand yet. It's just like, sometimes a Jordan shoe is ugly, but it's Jordan, so people buy this shit. That's how it is. That's how it is. Once you get a name, once you get a poppin' video, you get one video that does thousands, you should be gold at that point. And if you're not, you're doing something wrong, and that's a fact. And this is Bunjo, and I'm out here, man. Thanks for watching. And there's my rant on success, motivation, and stay positive and believe in yourself. Always believe in yourself, because your product is worth it. And make yourself a brand. That's what I'm trying to do, you know. Thanks for watching.